Alright guys, welcome to the month of March computer update. Starting off with the 2009 HP Compaq Elite A300 small form factor. So the gist of it, 2 new themes. Three actually. This one, Kaori Shirasaki. This is from Shizuku Yaegashi. And the third one is Tio Klarus. I've also made a Disney Fairies theme 2013. But as usual, I've set to my Daisy background because that's my default. So this one, and this one are all three of those are Japanese anime characters. Now we will show you the Latitude D620. Heads up, the OptiPlex 320. That's gonna be gone for not gonna be non-operational for a few months while I try to sort things out with it. Oop. Now I can type it in. And this is Rapunzel here on my background during the scene where the song "I Have a Dream" comes in. Shot at the smugly duckling. This thing, this is DOA for several months. I figure out what's wrong with it. I suspect I have to get a blank CD to put Service Pack 3 on there. Or the drivers at least. Yeah, that's the gist of the Latitude D620's changes. And for the game PC, I'm not even going to show you it because it's the same thing.